Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Living Well Daily, the channel dedicated to helping you live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of rosemary tea. You might know rosemary as a fragrant herb used in cooking, but did you know it also makes a potent and delicious tea? This aromatic beverage is chock full of antioxidants and beneficial compounds. So if you're ready to discover the surprising benefits of rosemary tea and how it can transform your well-being, then keep watching. Let's start with one of the most talked about benefits of rosemary, its ability to boost brain function. Rosemary contains two powerful compounds, rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which have been studied for their neuroprotective effects. These compounds act like superheroes for your brain, protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, including brain cells, leading to cognitive decline as we age. Rosemary's potent antioxidants neutralize those harmful free radicals, keeping your brain cells healthy and functioning at their best. This means improved memory, better focus, and even a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. So whether you're a student facing exams or simply want to keep your mind sharp, rosemary tea can be your secret weapon for optimal brain health. Now we can't talk about the benefits of rosemary tea without diving deeper into its incredible antioxidant power. Free radicals can damage cells throughout your entire body, contributing to inflammation and chronic diseases. That's where antioxidants come in, acting like your body's defense system against these harmful molecules, and rosemary tea is brimming with them. We're talking about a potent combination of flavonoids, rosmarinic acid and polyphenols, all working together to protect your cells from oxidative stress. Regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods and drinks like rosemary tea can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, which is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. So, by sipping on a cup of rosemary tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, you're giving your body an extra dose of protection against these serious health concerns. If you experience digestive discomfort like bloating, indigestion, or gas, rosemary tea can be your new best friend. This incredible herb has carminative properties, meaning it helps to soothe the digestive system and relieve those uncomfortable symptoms. Rosemary stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and preventing them from building up in your digestive tract. This can help prevent that heavy, bloated feeling after a meal. Rosemary also has anti-spasmodic properties, meaning it can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing spasms and cramping. And if constipation is a concern, rosemary tea can help get things moving again. So next time you're feeling those post-meal woes or struggling with digestive discomfort, reach for a warm cup of rosemary tea. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become all too common. But before you reach for those prescription meds, consider this. Rosemary tea might be just what you need to find a sense of calm and relaxation. The aroma of rosemary alone has been shown to have calming effects on the nervous system. Inhaling its invigorating scent can help reduce feelings of stress and promote a sense of well-being. Rosemary tea contains compounds that can actually lower cortisol levels in the body. By reducing cortisol levels, rosemary tea helps to restore balance to your nervous system, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, brew yourself a cup of rosemary tea. Inhale its soothing aroma and let its calming properties wash over you. It's a natural and effective way to unwind, de-stress, and find a moment of peace in your day. Did you know that rosemary tea can also give your circulatory system a boost? This incredible herb has been shown to improve blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently throughout your body. Rosemary acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This is especially beneficial for people who suffer from poor circulation, which can manifest as cold hands and feet, fatigue, and even headaches. By improving blood flow, rosemary tea can help alleviate these symptoms and improve overall cardiovascular health. Better circulation also means that your muscles and tissues are receiving the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. This can lead to increased energy levels, improved athletic performance, and faster recovery from workouts. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your workouts, or simply support your overall cardiovascular health, consider adding rosemary tea to your daily routine. Let's face it, nobody enjoys getting sick. That's why boosting your immune system is crucial, especially during cold and flu season. And guess what? Rosemary tea can lend a helping hand. Rosemary is a natural antimicrobial, meaning it can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that can make you sick. It also has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the severity and duration of colds, flu, and other infections. Regularly consuming rosemary tea can help strengthen your body's natural defenses, making you less susceptible to those pesky germs that are always lurking around. So next time you're feeling a little run down or want to give your immune system an extra boost, reach for a warm cup of rosemary tea. It's a delicious and natural way to stay healthy and resilient all year round. Who doesn't love having radiant skin and luscious locks? Well, rosemary tea isn't just good for your insides, it can work wonders for your outward appearance too. Rosemary tea's antioxidant properties help to combat signs of aging, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. It can also help reduce acne breakouts by fighting inflammation and balancing oil production in the skin. But the benefits don't stop there. Rosemary tea is also fantastic for your hair. Its ability to improve circulation extends to the scalp, which can help strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. Regularly rinsing your hair with rosemary tea can add shine, reduce dandruff, and even help prevent premature graying. So if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your beauty routine, look no further than rosemary tea. Our kidneys and liver are essential for filtering toxins and waste products from the body, keeping us healthy and functioning properly. Rosemary tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body through urination. This cleansing effect can be especially beneficial for the kidneys, helping to prevent the buildup of waste products that can lead to kidney stones and other problems. Additionally, rosemary tea supports liver function by aiding in the digestion of fats and the detoxification process. By supporting the health of your kidneys and liver, rosemary tea contributes to your overall well-being and helps your body function at its best. So if you're looking for a natural way to support these vital organs, consider adding rosemary tea to your daily routine. Dealing with pain and inflammation can be debilitating, but before you reach for over-the-counter pain relievers, consider this. Rosemary tea might be able to provide natural relief. Rosemary possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties thanks to compounds like rosmarinic acid, which has been shown to be as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in reducing inflammation. This makes rosemary tea a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and joint discomfort. It can help reduce inflammation in the affected areas, providing much-needed relief from pain and stiffness. Rosemary tea also has mild analgesic properties, meaning it can help to block pain signals in the body. So next time you're feeling those aches and pains, reach for a warm cup of rosemary tea. Feeling sluggish and mentally drained? Skip that extra cup of coffee and reach for a cup of rosemary tea instead. This incredible beverage can provide a natural energy boost and enhance mental clarity without the jitters or caffeine crash. Rosemary stimulates the nervous system, improving alertness and focus without the unwanted side effects of caffeine. Additionally, rosemary tea can improve blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. This can further enhance cognitive function, improving memory, concentration, and overall mental performance. So whether you're facing a long day at work, studying for an exam, or simply need a pick-me-up, rosemary tea is an excellent choice. So there you have it, folks. 10 surprising benefits of rosemary tea that you need to know. Drinking rosemary tea every day is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health naturally. Its benefits range from improved brain function and digestion to better skin and hair health. Adding this aromatic and therapeutic beverage to your daily routine can transform your wellness journey. Try it today and experience its incredible effects firsthand. And don't forget to subscribe to Living Well Daily for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.